Hi there, hi everyone, welcome to today on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, May the 23rd, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle and it's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Yeah, the additional is back. An additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars. We have a Sudoku with 1 star with 27 printed digits. Sudoku with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And we have also a Tectonic with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. In the evening, yes, tonight I will solve 4 of them. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, let me start first with this regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. Well, is this really a medium Sudoku? I do not know, but what I know is this will be 6477. Well, this one has 32 printed digits. Should be a light Sudoku, not a medium Sudoku. And the 20, if I have a Sudoku with 27 printed digits, then it will be a 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, this is a light Sudoku, I think, with 32, so I don't think it's a 1 star, so maybe I will be faster than 40 minutes or 30 minutes. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, let me see, which number can I pick? How about, yeah, let me see, 4, come on, what's happening? We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 6 will be here, or there. We see a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that column, so no 6 there, so the only place left for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. 5, alright. And then 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. The 8 cannot continue. 7. How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, the 9, 2, 6, yeah. We have 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. 269, 269, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this column. So no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. So one digit left in the last row for the number 2. All right. 2, 2, 2, 2. 3. Come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. How about the 4 in the last column? 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in the second row, so no 1 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. So one digit left in the second row for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and 9. Alright. Then 4, 4. Well, we want 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in the first column is the number 4. Well, here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this row. Second row, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in this row, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So here we have 2 missing numbers, then the 2 and the 5. Alright, as a pair. Let me mark those. 3, 3. 1 and then 9. Okay, and now. We have a 4 in the first column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Do we have all the 4s? Nope. 4, 4. Okay, need to wait. Need a 2 here. 9 and the 7. Wow. 2, 5, 9. Alright. Let me think. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 7. Here can be 7 because we have 7 in the last column. No 7 there. Here can be 7 because we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. And here can be 7 because we have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 in this row should be there. Okay. So here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Alright. Alright. So 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. In the middle row should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row for the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. Well, we have a 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Here's 7 in the last column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be here. And the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in the second column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next to the last column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in a second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Whoa, told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. Maybe 14, maybe 13. But we solve it again. And I like this one. So is this really a medium Sudoku? I think it's a light one, yeah. Not particularly a medium, no. But we solve it again, yes. And I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening tonight with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.